I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 208 in the active specification. So inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity, there's air conditioning, cruise control with speed limiter, 15-inch alloy wheels, and the vehicle is just £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.